Okay, I'm just going to run through expanding and simplifying brackets. So we just multiply what's inside by what's outside the bracket. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So it'll be 10x. 10x. So, and 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So sorry, that's 10x. And then plus 15. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. Then collect the like terms. 10x plus 2x is 12x. And you just get the 15 and the 8. Make sure that when you're doing this, you're taking the sign in front. So it's 10x plus 2x, 15 plus the 8. 15 and 8 will give you 23. Okay, so we're going to look at this one now. Let's start off with 7x times 3x. So 7x times 3x. 7 3s are 21. X times x is x squared. 7 3s are 21. X times x is x squared. Do the second eyebrow. 7 times 2 is 14. A plus times a minus is a minus. And then x times y is just xy. All right, so the next one, 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times 3y, a plus times the minus. So you've got to do the plus 4x times minus 3y. Will just give you 4 3s are 12, so it'll be minus 12, and then x, y. Okay, so the next step is you collect the like terms. So you're doing the 21x squared plus the 4x squared, and then you are doing the 4xy minus the minus 4xy minus the 12xy. Make sure you get the sign in front of the number. So 21x squared plus 4x squared is 25x squared. Then you've got minus 4xy minus 12xy. So that'll be minus 14 minus 12. So down 14, down 12 will give you down 26xy. Okay, so we're now going to look at number 3. The difference with number 3, again, we have this minus out the front. Do you notice on the last, I think on the last one, no, number 2, we still didn't have the minus out the front. Okay, so, sorry, here's number 3 here. So number 3, see we have a minus out the front, so it's going to change the sign inside the bracket, so just be aware of that. So this is 5 times 2, that will give you 10x. 5 times 1 will give you minus 5. Minus 4 times x is minus 4x. Minus 4 times 3, a minus times a minus is a plus, will give you plus 12. And then if you look at this now, we have 10x minus 4x. They're like terms. And then minus 5 plus 12. Okay, so 10x minus 4x, make sure you get the sign in front, gives you 6x. And then when you're doing the minus 5 plus 12, it means you're going down 5, up 12. You end up with positive 7 as your answer, so plus 7. Okay, notice one thing, that the sign in the middle here, just this sign here, the sign changed. So it was a changed sign because here it went from minus and it changed sign to a plus because you're multiplying by the minus, which is outside, and a minus times a minus is a plus. So just be aware of those minus out the front of the brackets. Okay, number 4. So we keep the 12x where it is and we do the brackets because of bidness. You do brackets first, then indices, division, multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. So minus 12x minus 4x times 5x is minus 20x squared. So let's do that. Minus 4x times 5x. Minus 4 times 5 is minus 20. X times x is x squared. And do the second eyebrow. Minus 4x minus 3. Minus 4x times minus 3. A minus times a minus is a plus. 4 times 3 is 12. So it's just 12x. So it's plus 12x. Okay, now we need to collect like terms. So we go 12x plus this 12x. And then we have minus 20. Just note once again, the sign changed here. And the sign changed because there was a minus out the front. See how there's a minus out the front? The minus out the front will change the sign inside. So that went from a minus, because a minus times a minus, to a plus. So collecting those like terms, 12x plus 12x is 24x. And then minus 20x squared is just minus 20x squared. And one final question. See, this one here, you keep the 12 there. Make sure you know that's a minus 1. Minus 1 times x is minus 1x. Minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4. Notice the minus, and we change the sign to the plus. And then we go 2 times x is minus 2x, and 2 times 5 is 10, but it will be a minus. So now all that's left to do is collect the like terms. So, oops, that'll go. We need the highlighter one. So it'll be 12, 4. Notice I get the plus 4 because you've got to get the sign in front. And not 10, it is minus 10. So it's like I'm going 12 plus 4 minus 10. 12 plus 4 is 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10 is 6. So you end up with 6. Now I am going to add up the x's. So you got minus 1x minus 2x. Minus 1x minus 2x. So it's like minus 1x minus 2x. So it's minus 1 minus 2. Down 1, down 2, down 3. So it's minus 3x. And they're unlike, so you just leave them like that.